GoDoChurch is a popular church management software, but before you commit, there are 12 things you need to know. With so many options available, it's crucial to understand how GoDoChurch stacks up against the competition. First thing, GoDoChurch offers an intuitive interface, but it's not as feature-rich as some alternatives like Planning Center or Breeze CHMS. If you're looking for something that can handle everything from donations to event management with ease, you might find GoDoChurch a bit limited in comparison. Next thing, GoDoChurch integrates with popular tools, but it doesn't have the same extensive integrations as other platforms. While it works well with basic accounting software and calendar tools, you may run into roadblocks if you're trying to connect to a broader range of platforms. The third thing is its pricing structure. GoDoChurch is generally affordable compared to some of the more expensive church management software out there, but don't expect a free option. For small to medium-sized churches, it can be a budget-friendly choice, but larger organizations might want to compare the cost with more robust options. The fourth thing to consider is customization. GoDoChurch offers some level of customization, but not nearly as much as some competitors like ChurchTrack. If your church has unique needs, you may run into limitations when trying to tailor the software to your requirements. Next, GoDoChurch does offer mobile access, but its mobile app isn't as polished as others. If your church relies heavily on mobile accessibility, this might be a concern, as it lacks some of the more advanced features that other apps offer. The sixth thing to know is that GoDoChurch provides basic reporting, but the depth and range of reports are nowhere near as extensive as those of more specialized platforms like Realm or ACS Technologies. If you need deep data analysis, you may find GoDoChurch lacking in this area. Seventh, GoDoChurch does a decent job at managing volunteers, but its volunteer management tools aren't as sophisticated as some other platforms. Larger churches with a high volume of volunteers might need more robust features to streamline scheduling and communication. Next, the platform's support is fairly responsive, but it doesn't have the same level of customer service as larger companies. While you can reach out for help, some users report longer wait times and fewer resources compared to what other software providers offer. The ninth thing to keep in mind is that GoDoChurch is cloud-based, which is great for remote access, but that also means you need a reliable internet connection. Unlike some offline-first software, if your connection goes down, you might lose access to important data. The 10th thing is GoDoChurch's community features. It offers basic tools for managing church members, but if you need advanced community building tools like what's found in Church Community Builder, you might be left wanting more. 11th, GoDoChurch's payment processing is simple, but if you're looking for advanced donation features like recurring payments or text to give, you might find its capabilities lacking compared to solutions like Tithe.li or PushPay. Finally, GoDoChurch offers a solid foundation for smaller churches, but its growth potential might be limited for larger churches with more complex needs. If your church is expanding and needs additional features, you may find it harder to scale compared to other platforms. So, is GoDoChurch a good option for your church? Yes, it's a solid and budget-friendly choice, especially for smaller churches or those just starting out. However, if you want a more feature-rich, scalable solution with a wider range of integrations and reporting, you might want to consider our recommended alternative. Best of all, you can try it for free and see if it meets your needs.